Congratulations on downloading uTorrent Web. Not sure how to get started? Here are 3 easy steps to find and download a torrent. Step 1. Install Safe Torrent Scanner. Let's say you want to watch the movie Tears of Steel. We recommend installing the Safe Torrent Scanner Chrome extension. It will help filter out bad torrents and give you direct links to good ones. Step 2. Search for a torrent. Now that we've added the extension, let's search for Tears of Steel. Safe Torrent Scanner will show you a list of torrent files and magnet links related to your search. Scroll through the results until you find what you want to download. Click Play to download the torrent file or to open a magnet link. Step 3. Add the torrent to uTorrent Web. To add the torrent, return to uTorrent Web and open the downloaded torrent file. You can click to open the torrent or select Always Open Files of this type to open them automatically in the future. If you click on a magnet link, the torrent file will automatically open uTorrent Web. Click Add to start downloading the movie. Now you can even start streaming before your movie finishes downloading. Enjoy!